Hey everyone, it is Friday and we took off work as part of a 3-day weekend because my birthday's tomorrow. But we're
He's old.
Yeah, I really am. Not really looking forward to him anymore. But it's still fun to go to Disney on your birthday, so that's what we're here for. And we're gonna check out and see what's new for the 50th anniversary. The 50th anniversary is next week, so we're gonna kind of see what the parks are like before the 50th. And we might, after Hollywood Studios, head on over to Epcot. See, walking up, there's already signage for the 50th anniversary. Oh, Goofy's going fishing today. Here, there's more of the Fab 50 statues. We got Edna Mode from Incredibles. And look, it's Frozone. I really like Frozone's. His is really big. I like his ice board. I don't know what you call it, but I like his ice that he's surfing on. It's pretty detailed. Here we have R2-D2. Okay, that's a pretty cool one. And I love BB-8. He's got his little glider hanging out. It's a really good one. Now it's kind of weird. Both of these are in the stroller parking location, which is kind of weird. You don't get a lot of access to them, but they're still pretty cool. Your statue! So Kristin was just narrating who was in the parade. Who was it, Kristin?
Mrs. Impossible?
Yeah, she said Mrs. Impossible was in the thing. Caitlin, is that correct? Mrs. Impossible? Not even close. We are heading into Star Tours. Let's see where we end up going this time.
Ladies and cannons. I said cannot. Shut them down before you go out of place. Sometimes after I come to understand the blocking at all. No, not at all.
Yours if you don't get back to work.
He is such a kidder. I hope. Hey, who's going to Mustafar? Anyone? I just have one question. Why? That is one hot planet. It's something like 373 degrees Kelvin.
So we just got off of Star Tours. We didn't film it because you're not supposed to film in there, and plus it's 3D, so it wouldn't turn out anyways. It was a really good trip. We actually got both of the Revenge of the Sith planets, and I hadn't seen either of those before, so it was really cool. Now today is also second day. Today's the second day that Rise of the Resistance is operating with a regular standby line and not the virtual queue. And it's the middle of the day today, and it's only a 1 hour wait. So we are gonna get in line and ride Rise of the Resistance. No stress. of waking up early or anything. We're just gonna get in line and hopefully save the galaxy.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
This is your final call on board.
I am getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake the blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to get out of the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
It's a plan to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-Num? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance spies! Under the orders of General Hux, this ship and all of its passengers are now under the command of the First Order. You will all disembark and proceed down the hall on your right for process off the ship.
You know where the ship was headed when we accepted it.
Alright, bring it on silver. Sympathizers, over here. Look down upon your feet. You should be standing on the color assigned to you. If you're not, fix it. Once you do so, remember the color you're standing on as it is crucial to your interrogation. Is that clear? Once inside the cell, remain at the center of the cell and away from the walls. Is that clear? Crystal clear.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Hey, don't let me out. We're not out of here.
Seatbelts buckle left hand, right hand, recruits left.
Tell where the base is, right?
Absolutely not.
That was a really enthusiastic no.
Yeah. I've been through this before. I've been tortured a few times.
What have you been doing when you got tortured? And then it harkens back to the fact he does for a few times. How did you get him captured? Good luck, recruits. You're gonna need it.
Head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach and touch and walk range.
Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detection. There they are. Fire!
Look good. Trying to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think you have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffold's on people. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Woo! Yes, R5. You too.
Heck yeah, R5! I love the movie posters they have here in the park. Harkens back to the days when this was a working movie studio, and really looking forward to Haunted Mansion. Will Arnett's actually going to play the ghost host in it. It's going to be awesome. And then over here we have for Cruella coming out on Blu-ray. And Kristin's definitely matching the Cruella poster today, and in fact, getting a photo in front of it. She's going for the cool Cruella look. Kristen and Caitlin went on a quick snack run. But I am gonna go in here in Walt Disney One Man's Dream. This is one of my favorite places in all the parks. It is a museum of the history of the Walt Disney Company, or Walt Disney and the Walt Disney Company, which is very fitting a week from the 50th anniversary. So this, my friends, is what it's all about. So let's go in and take a look. This is actually Walt Disney's school desk. And here we have a model of Main Street, USA at Disneyland. Look at all these retro Disney merchandise items.
The different elements in the scene were separated according to their varying distances from the viewer. With our original picture broken down in this manner, it is possible to control the relative speed with which each...
I like Retro Pluto, look at him. Now they're actually selling some similar stuffed animals, at least to the Mickey and Minnie, as part of the 50th. They have a retro collection. They're not quite the same, but they're the same idea. Now this, I'm reading, is a Mousker statue. So, you know how the Academy Awards would give out the Oscars. Walt Disney actually made a Mousker statue to give out to the employees that contributed the most to Walt Disney Pictures. This is another set that Walt Disney built himself, the Dancing Man. And he would actually move. Now we're gonna go in a second behind to see what made him move. It's so much larger than the actual Dancing Man. Let's go check it out. Here's all the inner workings that made the Dancing Man do his thing. And here we have a replica of the original model for Sleeping Beauty Castle. This is an original concept model of the Jungle Cruise's loading dock for Disneyland. This is so cool. Here's a concept model for Paradise Pier, which is now, of course, Pixar Pier at Disney California Adventure. They even have fountains for Roll the Color in there. And this is cool. This is a concept model for Cinderella's castle. This is one of my favorite things in here. It's from Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln, but he's unskinned, so it's kind of creepy, which I like. And there's this control board. So they always have models of things that are to come in here, or new attractions that are in the works. And this is, of course, the Galactic Star Cruiser, the Halcon Star Cruiser. Pretty cool. Oh wow, it's a scare door. Are we supposed to be in here by the scare door?
See a blinding light. It's one of us.
Is that Boo's door? I think it's Boo's door. Should we go see her? Probably not. And look, it's a model of a Dumbo ride vehicle up on the ceiling. And look, it's Sebastian and Flounder from The Little Mermaid. I really like this one. Now here's Woody and Bo Peep. And now you notice they're really small, and that's because we are not in Toy Story Land. We are out here by the Chinese Theater. So we are not the size of a toy, so they are toy size.
Brazos, pies y piernas. Dentro de
La mía se la de ella, ¿sabes?
Up in here.
All the way down or not far. So jump your hat like that, okay? Hold on tight to that.
Alright.
Push up for me. Last friendly reminder about the hat. And sir, that just discussed it out in the train at any time, okay? Push up on your lumber. Thank you.
hang on to your springs and coils. This is
so we finished Slinky Dog Dash. I love that coaster. And now we are heading to the Skyliner. We're gonna go on over to Epcot, finish our day over there. But we are gonna first make a pit stop at the Riviera Resort, which is our favorite. We're gonna go get some food. We're gonna show you one of our secret food spots. So we're here at the Skyliner station. We are gonna ride over to Caribbean Beach Resort.
I vowed I would not ride this again, but here I am.
Yeah, we had an incident
We don't
a couple
talk
months
about
ago.
that.
We don't talk about it though.
Especially right before I get on.
That is true.
I was a little scared. I was scared. If they do an announcement like that, it makes me scared. And why am I the only one sitting on this side?
Because we like to ride forwards. We don't like to ride backwards.
I don't like ride backwards. 50th one.
Oh, it's the 50th anniversary on what?
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm riding backwards, so I don't have to
Disney
see.
Skyliner and Disney's Hollywood
Wow.
Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to International Gateway. This
This is our favorite resort, the Riviera. We stayed here last year for our 20th wedding anniversary, didn't we, Kristin?
Yes, we did. We had a room on the, I think the very top floor, or like maybe second to the top.
And it was pool view?
Pool view. Got to see everything, had a nice balcony. And the room was gorgeous.
Now this is one of my favorite lounges in all of Walt Disney World Resort, and of course it's at my favorite resort. I love this old library feel, and it has a bunch of artifacts from Walt's time in the Riviera. Now, if you look at this hallway, there are all kinds of pictures of Walt's trip to the Riviera. And there's Walt with Topolino, which is what they call Mickey and the Riviera. Oh, look at this one. So Primo Piatto, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that is where we go to get the awesome lunch. Caitlin got a little Ewok friend while she was at Hollywood Studios. It's pretty cute. Look on the walls. There's more of those pictures of Walt's trip to the Riviera. So what we got was the croque monsieur, which is kind of like a grilled cheese or grilled ham and cheese sandwich. It's got some cheese on top too. Then we have the Romano fries. Now the Romano fries, it's kind of hidden in there. Normally it's on top, but see, it's got Romano cheese inside. And then we got their tomato soup, which is amazing. Here we are inside the courtyard of the Riviera Resort. Oh. If you see up there, that is Tupolino's Terrace. That is their signature dining restaurant. Tupolino is, again, what they call Mickey Mouse in Italy, I think, or the Riviera. But yeah, it's another name for Mickey Mouse. And I've heard that balcony up there's got stunning views.
So, I just found out that you can now mobile order the caramel popcorn, the Werther's caramel popcorn in Epcot,
What?
Germany. So, I'm gonna head over there. So, would you like to come with me? Because I would like some Werther's caramel popcorn.
Yeah, let's go get some Werther's caramel popcorn.
Absolutely.
So you're stuck?
She's
She
stuck.
can't get her feet on the ground to get off.
If you can't, I don't care. I got it.
All right, we're headed back to the Skyliner. Gonna head to Epcot. Hi. Thank you. Now we're going through the back entrance to Epcot, which is called International Gateway. It's also by the France Pavilion, where the new Remy Ratatouille ride is going to be opening on October 1st. That is pretty cool. Sweetest pie, apple orchard. That's cool.
Let's see. No price, but my guess is it's probably like $75. So it's $74.99. That's the typical like Spirit Jersey price.
That is it. I like that hat. I might get one of those.
Except they got the long tags. Why, Disney? Why? You do this with the ears too. Doesn't have the price on it again. Oh look, there's a magic bin. Pigment Food and Wine, 2021, $55. Don't forget to use your pass holder discount or DVC discount. If you are one of those two, it'll save you a bit of money. Wine cups.
Shake things
Shake
up.
things up. Look,
Hold on,
it's got
hold on.
Remy and Emil.
Shake things up with Remy and Emil. That's really cool.
Yeah, it's cute. I'm not sure if this is a kid's shirt or if it's supposed to just be a crop top for
For you to shake things up.
for shake things up. Yes, but that's cute. And it is $36.99.
Oh, well, there's an ornament there too. Let's
Oh, yeah. Good one.
food and wine
Oh,
ornament.
I like this one. This sweater's, oh, that sweater is nice. You can tell it is lined. Oh, it's got fleece lining and it is soft. That one's only $49.99. I actually like that one the best.
That's pretty awesome. That goes with your ears.
I think I'm ready to upgrade my outfit here. Let's see, hold on. Drum roll. What are we guessing? What are we guessing?
75.
Close, 84.
84.
Yep.
And you got the purse too?
And the purse, which is super cute. Really, really cute. It is $34.99. That was not bad. And this is really cute on the skirt. It's got like a little polka dot netting. And of course you got your ears and your hat. It's got a lot of new shirts right now. This one's really cute. It's 32. And I think I'm kind of favoring this. Yeah, I think this is what I'm kind of favoring right now. Oh, it's got fleece inside of it, so it is warm.
Oh, cool.
So definitely not for summer days, so it would come into fall or winter, Florida winter. It is $49.99. So can you add that to my shopping list?
Absolutely.
This is a first. I'm standing in line at Disney in the Italy store, and I think the roof is leaking. I don't know if you can see, my phone just got splattered with water, and then I got hit on the shoulder, and it's coming from the nice ceiling. So I guess just beware where you stand. Ah!
Oh my God. It's like we're in Venice.
Yeah, exactly. It's flooding.
All right, so we did the mobile order for the caramel corn. Normally there's a huge line in here, but this time we're gonna go right up to the mobile order counter. Hi, it's for Kristin. We got our caramel corn and a water. As you can see, it was a walk up right away.
Oh, nothing beats that smell. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna start with that one. Would you like some? Okay. What's better? Caramel popcorn from Werther's or their caramel apples?
You asked a girl that doesn't eat caramel apples?
I know. So vote for a popcorn. What's yours?
I really like the apples. The apple with the nuts really good, but it's right up there. Especially this time of year because it's caramel corn season.
I don't know. I'm really torn. I think I'm kind of going with that, depending on the season. The apples are so juicy once you get past the caramel that it makes them like really refreshing, and it kind of has that yummy zest. Whoa, was that lightning?
All right, so we are heading out. We decided to go ahead and head out before the big park dump tonight. It takes a long time to get back to Hollywood Studios if the Skyliners are full. So we're gonna hop on the Skyliner, head back to Hollywood Studios to get our car, and go home for the night. Coming back tomorrow because this is our 3-day Disney weekend. We're gonna hit Animal Kingdom tomorrow. So we're back at the car. We had a really fun and eventful day. The Hollywood Studios, or Rise of the Resistance, without having to join a virtual queue.
Yeah, that was really cool. And actually, we only had to wait an hour, and I think the longest I saw the line get to, even in the middle of the day, was 2 hours. So that was
definitely
really
a welcome
good.
change.
Yeah,
that was awesome. Then we rode the Skyliner over to the Riviera, had a nice croque monsieur, the ham and cheese sandwich with a tomato soup, which is probably one of our favorite things on property.
It is so good. It doesn't matter if it's 100 degrees outside. It's amazing. It's so seasoned, and it's warm, and it's delicious, and it tastes like home.
Yep. And then Epcot, we went and got the Werther's caramel corn without having to wait in any lines because it's finally on mobile order. Normally that place is out the door, so that was great.
Yeah.
And then Caitlin and Kristin had a little bit of a compliment off. I think Kristin won with her dress, her polka dot dress.
Yes.
Caitlin got lots of comments for her stitch bag. Show everyone your stitch bag, Caitlin. I don't know if I'm sure we've seen it walking, but yeah, she got lots of comments on her stitch bag with Olu from Hawaii on it. So anyways, this was a great day, and we are gonna be back at it again tomorrow because we are coming back to Animal Kingdom for day 3 of our 3-day Disney weekend. So see you guys later.
Bye. I think was the most that we saw, so that was not bad.
Yeah, that's definitely a welcome change. And then we went over to
That's your own fault.